All right, so this is a day for JKs apparently. I'm going to do this video. We typically don't get a lot of cold weather here per se, but we've had 9 days of below freezing temperature. So got a couple calls about windshield washer reservoir leaking washer fluid out. It's kind of a common problem on these JKUs. Really simple fix. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can order a part, but I choose to just fix it myself. So what you can do is, if you look down right here on your washer fluid reservoir, okay, you've got this little area down here that you will see. If you've got leaking under your vehicle, you can see washer fluid. Check this area. 9 out of 10 times it'll be laying around this lip right here. All right, what that is on the bottom of this pump, there's a filter screen. It's made with rubber, but it's not very pliable, meaning it doesn't contract and expand as it should with the weather. So when it gets cold, it doesn't seat very well. It'll let all your washer fluid run out here. So in short, it's pretty simple. You pull this little plug off right here, right? This is just your power cord for the pump. There's a little black tab, kind of hard to see, right here. It just slides in. So you'll just put a screwdriver in here, pop this out. This whole assembly will pop up. On the bottom of it will be the little filter. I'll screenshot a picture of the filter that goes on there. If you try to buy that filter, good luck. Nobody knows what it is or where to find it. The best replacement part for it is actually a BMW filter, but there's really no sense in doing that. So basically all I did for in-laws that were having the issue was pulled that out, and I got some silicone, clear silicone, waterproof. Put it on the bottom part of the filter screen, I guess, where it makes contact with this bottom tray. Let it sit up, put it back together. Works fine, no issues. I mean, for the silicone, it was probably $5. Cheap fix. I mean, if you order the one from BMW, it's probably a $10 part, but you'll probably pay $30 in shipping. Really no sense in doing that, but real simple fix. A lot of people just don't know about it. And I will attach, like I said, a picture of the filter screen that you're looking at, as well as where to put the silicone, and then a picture of the silicone that I recommend as well. Pretty simple fix, but it's been driving a lot of people crazy. So that's how you fix it. And in case you're wondering why I didn't go into more depth detail on it, is this one is not leaking. I don't want to screw with it to where it does start leaking, but it's a simple fix. If you have any more questions or issues about it, drop me a line and I can go more in depth to it.